Book publicity is cheaper than you think. When authors are interviewed in the media, some may wonder what kind of marketing budget they have. After all, they must have paid for people or resources to get that opportunity. If you've ever wondered that, I have good news for you. With the right email to the right person, any author can get media coverage, and that doesn't have to cost anything. Hi, I'm Chris Well, and I help authors get their books in front of more people. Being included in the regular editorial content is free. If you pay for it, that's called advertising. Today you have more access and more opportunity to get media coverage than ever before. First of all, you don't have to pay for access. Once upon a time, you might have had to pay someone who had the contact information of the decision makers. But now it's relatively easy to get in touch with media producers and editors yourself. Second, you don't have to pay for travel. Don't assume that media coverage requires flying across the country to be interviewed in a studio. There are all kinds of media opportunities where you can be interviewed through email, or over the internet, or over your phone. Third, you don't have to pay to create your media materials. Most of your author media kit can be created with the Word program you already have now. And smartphones have amazing cameras built in, so you can have a good author photo without hiring a photographer. Now, you can invest in help to get results more easily, but that's different than saying you have to. Let's say for a moment that you decided to play a musical instrument. You can learn how to do it yourself, or you can pay someone to teach you. You might even pay someone to play it for you. But you don't have to pay for those things. Media coverage is the same way. You can do it yourself, or you could pay someone to help you get results more easily. You could pay for tools or resources. You could even pay for someone else to do it for you. But you don't have to pay for any of those things. With the right email to the right person, any author can get media coverage, and that's free. If you're ready to leverage the media to promote your book, download your copy of the Author Publicity Blueprint. This free download includes fill-in-the-blank forms, checklists, brainstorm prompts, and even mind maps to help you get ready for the media. Create your pitch and leverage that to build your author platform. Just click the link near this video to get your free Author Publicity Blueprint today.